that gap up move was with kind of a tight body at that point, but was a test of the big climactic move up in late January. And so if it can't hold here and then start to go up again, this would be a natural place for there to be overhead supply that would stop the advance. But that could be a failing test right there of a pretty important climax. And the other thing that kind of goes with all this is that the dollar's been strong.
Same volume here as it was in this area right here. Look at the spreads here to the upside and look at this compressed spread. So a lot of supply is coming in. What's the reaction of the price to that incoming supply? The spread is increasing relative to the spread that came afterwards here on the same volume. So we are deteriorating demand, improving supply. And that's what Bruce is talking about, that as we come to this level here, supply comes in and it produces some kind of result. So Bruce, I'd be thinking still like we are in some kind of trading range.
Yeah,